Well, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam, also known as Ori Samurai, and today is gonna be a video that's a first of its kind. I'm gonna be showing you guys just a couple things that I wish I knew when I started producing, because man, I had to go through a lot of failed beats and sketchy production to figure these out, and I guess the best thing is to do is to share them. So I'm gonna just get right into that right now. First thing, planning. Planning. It's just so important that you plan your tracks. I like to get a notebook, or I can type it in my computer, what type of vibe I'm going for, the emotion, or what type of instruments I want to use. It might get complicated for you to process getting your idea into FL Studio and making it sound how you wish it to be, especially if you don't plan. Even going deeper in on that, something I usually like to do is just sing my beat or beatbox my beat.
Yeah, hey,
I'm not a pro beatboxer, by the way, but I just get down whatever I can get down. Someone I've seen doing this is Skrillex. On clips I've seen of his live production, and you just see him singing his melody down. So I follow that, and those are where some of my best beats are made. You really just want to focus on the overall sound of the track. Don't be trying to find the perfect kick or plug-in. You just want to get that overall feel of the track down. Once that is actually gotten down, it will speed up the whole process of your track, and you can always switch those out later. Seeing how this is the first video, I just really wanted to talk about getting things down, because that's one part that kind of got complicated when I started making beats. So I'll get a little bit more technical on my next video, especially with plugins and effects I like to use to achieve certain sounds. Give it a like, a thumbs up, and if you want more, just let me know in the comments. I'll check you guys later.